Understanding suffixes in English. Welcome to another exciting exploration of suffixes with understanding word formation. Today we'll learn how these powerful endings can change the meanings of words and help us express ourselves more clearly. Suffixes are like word endings that give us more details. For example, the suffix er often means someone who does something. Adding it to teach make teacher, meaning someone who teaches. Example, what happens when we add er to paint? We have a painter, meaning someone who paints. So what do we have when we add er to run? We have runner. Runner means someone who runs. Another common suffix is full, which means full of or having. Adding full to joy makes joyful, meaning full of joy. What do we get when we add full to the word beauty? We have beautiful. Beautiful means full of beauty. And what do we get when we add full to the word hope? We get hopeful. Hopeful means full of hope. There are others, for example, suffix less, which turns adjective into nouns, indicating a state or quickly or quality. When added to happy, it becomes happiness, meaning the state of being happy. The state of being happy. So, what do we get when we add kind and less? So, we get kindness. Kindness means the state of being kind. And when we add dark and less, we get darkness, meaning the state of being dark. There are many other suffixes, each with its own function. Ly, for example, turns adjectives into adverbs, as in quickly. Meant turns verbs into noun, as in enjoyment. And il indicates the state, a state or action, as in celebration. Suffixes help us understand and create new words. By knowing them, we can expand our vocabulary and better express our ideas. Let's now explore suffixes meaning and examples. We have able, bleu. This means able to. Example, edible, which means able to be eaten. Sellable, which means able to be sold. Ashes, cous, all. So this means like or having the quality of. Example, nocturnal, meaning of the night. Vivacious, meaning having the quality of being lively. Ans, antsy. This means the act of, a state of being. Example, performance, meaning the act of performing. Truancy means the act of being truant. And, er, or. these mean one who. Example, occupant, one who occupies. Respondent, one who who responds or answers. Teacher, one who teaches. Creator, one who creates. Suffixes are, These means connected with, related to. Example, ocular, which means related to the eye. Beneficiary, which means connected with one who receives benefit. The suffix else means quality of, act of. Example, existence, meaning the act of existing or being. Full, the suffix full means full of. Example, fearful, meaning full of fear. Suffixes ik, ak, il, these mean of, like, or pertaining to. Example, cardiac, which means pertaining to the heart. Civil, which means pertaining to citizens. Infantile, meaning pertaining to infant. Acidic, meaning like acid. Prefix iron, this means the act or condition of. Example, correction, which means the act of correcting. Ism, the suffix ism means the practice of, support of. Example, patriotism, support of one's country. Ist, this prefix means one who makes, does. Example, artist, one who creates art. Suffixes it, ty, y mean the state of, character of. Example, unity, the state of being one. Shifty, which means state of shifting around. Showy, which means state of always showing oneself. Suffix eve, meaning having the nature of. Example, active, having the nature of acting or moving. Less, this suffix means lacking, without. Example, heartless, meaning without a heart. Logi, this suffix means the study of. Example, biology, meaning the study of life processes. Ment, the act of, the state of. Example, retirement, state of being retired. Ness, the quality of. Example, eagerness, the quality of being eager. Ori, this suffix means having the nature of, a place or things for. Example, laboratory, which means a place where work is done. Suffixes us or os, these mean full of, having. Example, dangerous, meaning full of danger. Verbose, meaning full of words or wordy. Suffix sheep means the art or skill of, the ability to. Example, leadership, meaning the ability to lead. The suffix some means full of, like. Example, troublesome, meaning full of trouble. The suffix tud means the state of quality of, the ability to. Example, aptitude, which means the ability to do. The suffix y meaning full of, somewhat, somewhat like. Example, musty, having a stale odor. Example, chilly, meaning somewhat cold. Willowy, meaning like a willow. There are many other suffixes, each with its own function. Suffixes help us understand and create new words. By knowing them, we can expand our vocabulary and better express our ideas. So keep practicing and you'll soon master suffixes.